Tell me your full name, please.
Julian Fabre.
Spell your spell your full name.
Julian Fabre. Fabre. Julian, my first name.
How long have you been a cardiologist?
Oh, cardiologist since about interventional cardiologist about 10 years.
And tell me of your working relationship with Tapio Hospital and Dr. King and Kerr.
Yes, I work with Tapio Hospital since a long time with a team of Dr. Daniel and Dr. Snack. The first step is to teach the nurse, to teach all the team to develop the cardiac program, the interventional cardiac program. But since it's a long time, maybe 7 years, because in the beginning, Dr. Daniel sometimes come in Martinique. It's a change.
And tell me about what happened this weekend. Tell me about the cases that you had to deal with and why this was so important, such a big step for this facility.
Exactly, yes, it's a big step for this unit, for the cardiologist in St. Lucia and for St. Lucian patient. It's a big step because it's to continue the program in cardiologic interventional to detect coronary diseases. And it's a lot big diseases in St. Lucia and in Caribbean island. So it's important to detect these diseases and to treat it. To treat with technique with angioplasty, with cardiologic, interventional cardiology technique. So step by step now the cath lab is a good level, a good device. All the team knows the procedure and this we can confirm it. So it's very nice for Tapio Hospital and for St. Lucia.
And so we noticed that you were the mentor to these other doctors getting this done for the first time in St. Lucia. Tell me a little bit about that.
Can you repeat, please?
So we noticed that you were the lead or be the mentor in the operating theatre, guiding them step by step as you go along. Tell me about the process, procedure, and also what it means for them and the St. Lucian public.
Yes, because when you start this procedure of angioplasty, of our coronarography angiogram, it's important to have help with a proctor, so a mentor to help step by step when you do this procedure. Because even if all is okay, even if it's all is secure, it can be complications. So it's important to have a background to correct if you have a problem. That's why it's very important for this. And during my presence, I teach too to analyze the lesion, because sometimes when you see lesion is coronary vessel, it's important to know what's the best treatment after. If you need just medication, if you need more, if you need a bypass, for example, or if you need angioplasty. So it's important to have a second opinion, and I know more than them. That's why it's important to discuss together what's the best for the patient. And the second thing is to teach the technique, because it's important to know the treatment tips. Yes, treatment tips to reach to open the vessel, to get it, to do this exam.
For you, over the last 2 days, which was the case that was most surprising and most rewarding for you to work on, and why?
The case is the most surprising me. All cases different. Even if I do these exams in a long time, each case is different. Each case I appreciate because all the team can obtain. I don't have exactly one case is important, but I think all the case will be very good, because with all the case we discuss with the team, and you have a final decision, because it's not a classic and standard decision. You need to discuss in staff to what's the best. So all the case is good, always.
And tell me about the equipment at Tapio Hospital. Tell me about the equipment in the cath lab that made this possible.
Okay, but now with the work with Dr. Daniel, Dr. Snack, and with all the team, now it's a good equipment and you can do all the procedure because all is okay. You have a machine to use the X-ray for angiogram. You have all the device if you have a complication for intensive care, ICU. All the different device if you need to put a stent, it's prosthesis in the vessel. All is here to can offer for the patient the best solution for him. But and the secure is important. The security is very important because when you have a complication, it's a big complication. So now all is okay. All is okay with all the team now, the equipment, the anesthesia, the cardiologist. So the cath lab is completely good now. It's ready to work in the best condition.
What do you think it means for the patients in St. Lucia who would have normally had to travel to Martinique or to Trinidad for this procedure? What do you think it means to them?
It depends the procedure because step by step now it's not possible to do all the procedure in this cath lab. It's a procedure for coronary angiography angiogram. It's possible, no problem. But sometimes people from St. Lucia come in Martinique for different procedure, for valve procedure, for not for the vessel procedure. That's why it's not possible yet in St. Lucia, but just for a coronary angiography angiogram or angioplasty if the patient needs, it's okay to do in Tapia Hospital now. But the most important is to discuss the best treatment. Even if this patient has this exam here, it's important to have a good collaboration to discuss what's the best. If you need a stent, if you need a bypass, if you need just a medication. And after maybe the patient can go in Martinique the second time if you need a bypass or if the angioplasty will be complex, I don't know. But for the first step of diagnostics and for treatment of for simple angioplasty, you can do in St. Lucia, no problem.
Is there anything I forgot to ask that you'd like to add?
Excuse me?
Is there any question that I forgot to ask you that you'd like, or information that you'd like to tell us?
Stand.
So, before I end any interview, I like to ask interviewees, is there anything I forgot to ask you that you'd like to tell me about?
What I want to speak about? No, sorry. No, I don't have.
Good?
Yeah.
Tell me your full name and designation one more time.
My full name?
Your full name and your designation.
Yes, exactly. My first name, Julian, Julein, and Fabre, Fabre.
Okay.
Cardiologist, interventional cardiologist in Université Publique Hospital in Martinique.
And how long have you been working with the hospital?
8 years. 8 years. 8 years. And with this cath lab since the beginning, since the first cases, the beginnings, the new cath lab. I don't know exactly the date when the cath lab is open, but I was here since the beginning.
Thank you very much, Julian.
Okay, thank you so much.
Good job.